Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today we are making brownies for the kids and also the entire family. So please join me. For this simple recipe, I have some melted butter in my bowl. It has cooled down a bit. I'm going to go ahead and add in my sugars, which are brown and white, and then give these ingredients a good mix. All the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box, so please check it out once you're done watching this video, and do save it so that you can make some for yourself and the family. So the next ingredient I'll be adding is oil. So what the oil will do is to give it a bit of moisture so that the brownie is not as dry as a cake, if you like it, okay? And I went in with some essence. I chose coconut essence because that's what I had, and I added some salt, and then also went in with my eggs. So what you'd have to do with the eggs is to, if you store it in the fridge, that is, bring it out and let it sit until it reaches room temperature. I'm going in also with my flour, all purpose flour, and cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. So I sifted these ingredients separately before adding it into my mixture. It'll make mixing easier, and it'll help you so that you don't overmix. What happens is that if you overmix, your brownie will become cakey. It will not have the fudgy or soft texture you would always want a brownie to have. Okay, so I have this aluminium tin or container or tray, whatever you want to call it here. That's what I make my brownies in. Okay, I'm going to transfer the mixture in there, and then I'll put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. So to check, you can put a skewer in the middle of the brownie. When it comes out clean, you know that your brownie is ready. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider joining my blooming family by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So my brownie went into the oven and is back. I'll leave it to cool for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to cut them into smaller bits. It's back to school season in some parts of the world, so this will be great to make ahead of time so you can add it to your child's snack pack. I hope you try this very simple snack, and do leave me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share once you're done watching. And until I see you again, keep blooming.